Good morning. I'm doing some roll crimping here, and I want to show you that you can make a roll crimper out of a nutcracker. And I'm demonstrating it. Today I'm going to show you how to do it, and also some things that I would have done differently. That way it will save you some time and trouble and some grief. These are all tight. They're solids. I've got this mounted horizontally because I am doing solids and not shot. See how the handle goes down with you with not much effort. And now your handle will bottom out right here. Another nice crimp. I've been using Imperial die sizing wax for the lube, but I really feel that a guy could use anything. Maybe even dip them in mica. Anyway, I think you've seen enough, and it's a successful endeavor that you can do. Nutcrackers like this are all around. You can still buy them new. So I'm going to show you and take you through the whole schmoo of turning your nutcracker into a roll crimper 4410. So let's pull the piston and the handle out, and we'll take and we'll undo it here. Oh, it's tight. So these little holes are drilled into a 1/8 inch by 2 inch flat, and these holes here would be to roll crimp a 3 inch, then 2.5, and I had to drill these 2 holes here in order to get it down to a 2 incher, which I've cut off. So you would cut it off. Well, actually, you can cut it off just about anywhere you want to, as long as you have it separated. And you'll screw it down to your plate according to what you want to do. I thought I would just start off with 3 inchers and then move on up to whatever I might desire to experiment with, because we experiment a lot with 410 and they're fun and they don't cost anything. Okay, now let's get to the busy part right here. This end here is your actual roll crimper right here. So we're going to take this handle off. By the way, your handle, some of you may recognize, it is a handle from the Forester case trimmer. I got a few of them laying around because we went to Power and such. So now, if you use the Forester handle, you would drill the threads out, drill it out to 5/16 inside diameter, and in order to get it to work, I got to get him out of here. All right. That was graceful. Because your shank on your 410 roller is 1/4 inch diameter. So there's no way to go with the Forester handle but to drill it out to 5/16, put a 5/16 outside diameter bushing in there so that it will take the 1/4 inch your roll crimper. This particular one, I'm really sure that I got it from Precision Reloading years ago. And it has the 4 little waves in it, and I feel that's important. Also, it's got a good shank, a real nice long shank, unlike this 12 gauge one. So now let's take it the rest of the way apart here. All right, this is how it would look before you cut it. And this part, the heart of it is like 3/4 of an inch long. I think I would just go ahead and give it an inch. That's the one thing I would do all over, is just to give it an inch. Yeah, overall length of an inch instead of 3/4. And, you know, this is what, I showed you. So now, the nice thing about this particular roll crimper here is that it's tapered up like this, and also on the big end of your nutcracker, it fits in there just perfect. See that? And see now, you've got 5/8 of an inch of shank left for whatever handle that you choose to use to put that on there. Now you see these 4 radial cuts right here. Now you'll want to have those so that you can adjust it in and out. This is your primary adjustment for, your nominal shell length. But to fine tune it, you'll have this, and that's where these radial cuts are made. All these cuts are made, they're easier if you use a 24 teeth per inch hacksaw blade. Okay, so I hope this has helped you. Also, instead of putting this, all these screws are 10x32. Putting this on top and in the middle, if I had to do it all over again, after I thought it out, I would certainly put it on the side, and I would be closer in onto the end of your working part right here. That's to hold your bushing. Like this. Now, you see how perfectly it fits in here? It's like it was made for it. Also, here's a 12 gauge one, and it goes in here also. Okay, so those are the things I would have done over. I feel if I had have made this just a little bit longer, maybe even a 1/4 inch longer, that I would not have had to drill these two holes out on the 1/4 inch centers here in order to make it happen. You know, your adjustment is back here, and you can make it do whatever you want it to do that way. Also, I believe this nutcracker is an American-made one. The ones that you get now are from across the ocean, and well, they've kind of cheapened them up a little bit, and but you can still make this work. Also, in closing, I feel that if I could find a 12 gauge crimper with a longer shank, this is 3/8 diameter, but I'm already thinking about doing it. Here's a garden hose fitting, and it fits in there real nice. And another thing I want to point out is that on these little nutcrackers here, the threads on them, they are not 3/4 inch pipe. What they are is garden hose. So you can see that, and you know, that's ought to give you something to give some consideration to and some thought. And I think that'll be it for today. I hope this has helped you and get you on your way. Before I do close, I would recommend you know, drilling this out on a drill press. And you know, I made this so I would not tie up a drill press, but you know, you can really get it really straight, and it's already centered for you, so don't worry. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.